foodies, I am Ruchika and I welcome to my channel The Architect's Kitchen. Today we will see the recipe of biscuit which is damn healthy and super tasty. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Now you're not feel guilty to start your morning with unhealthy stuff because today I'm presenting here the super healthy atta biscuit which is also a damn tasty and you're gonna be love it. So let's get started with the crispy and super delicious healthiest version of the biscuit. So let's start. So guys, for the bakery purpose we always having exact measurement of every ingredient, so make sure you having a exact measurement. So here I am using a 1/4 cup of clarified butter which is ghee and a half cup of powdered sugar. Remember, measurement should be a exact and we gonna mix or whisk it till the soft peak. This process takes around 5 to 7 minutes and you'd notice after that a soft peak of the mixture is ready for the next process. So continuously whisking it mandatory like this. So after few minutes you'd notice the soft peak of the mixture is ready, and after that we are adding a next ingredient. So here I am using a 1 full cup of wheat flour, that is gehu ka atta. Yes, a healthier version of the biscuits, and a half tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix it gently. Mix it gently until the all mixture combine well. So continuously mixing. Mix. And after all mixture is well combined, you are using your hand and mix it properly like this. Guys, this biscuits turn out really tasty and very delicious, and you will feel not guilty as well because it's a healthy. And you can also use here a caster sugar in place of powdered sugar, and if you want a more healthiest version in this biscuit, so you can also use jaggery powder in this in place of the powdered sugar. So after mixing well, I am using here a milk. Don't pour the milk at one go, pouring the milk a little by little, and knead the soft dough for the biscuit. So here I am taking a 2 tablespoon of milk and gently knead the dough for the biscuit, and little by little adding a milk and knead the dough. Milk should be a cold, it's not a warm or super chilled, it should be a normal cold. And prepare a soft dough for rolling. So it should be like this. So we can see here some cracks, so it is perfectly fine for this recipe. And after that, use any kind of the sheet for the rolling, because you directly roll this dough, it would not give a nice result of the biscuit. So here I am taking a plastic sheet for the rolling purpose, and I am rolling the 2 to 3 mm thick a chapati like this. So after rolling, I am taking a cutter. This is namkeen cutter for the Diwali, and I'm using that only. So yeah, I'm here cut the biscuit of my favorite shape. You can also cut from your choice. It's totally subjective. It's upon you. And I am placing a mark of biscuit and discard the corners of the biscuits, and I'm reuse that part rolling, and then I'm again place the marks and use it. So yeah, that's the process. So here I'm discarding the corners of the biscuit and placing the some design. I mean, you can, it is perfectly fine, you can't draw any design over here, but for the aesthetic I am placing the marks from using a toothpick and place the holes, and it's look nice, isn't it? So yeah, so here I am taking my baking tray and lining some sheet, aluminum sheet. You can also line with parchment paper with your baking tray for avoid the mess, and that's also good. And here I am using a granulated sugar for, I mean, for some decoration. That's not mandatory, you know, so you can also skip this process, but yeah, it is look super good. So yeah, then after that I am place this tray in my oven on, in my preheated on with 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and after that place this tray in your medium section and bake it for 12 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. So yeah, this is the closer look in the oven. You'd notice guys, it's raising. Yeah, it is raising and it looks delicious. So my husband likes this extra brown color on the biscuit, but I don't. So second batch I'll make sure ki it's not a extra brown. So yeah, tada, this is our healthiest biscuit is ready, isn't it? It looks so tempting, right? Cool it with your wire rack and enjoy it with favorite beverages. So what are you waiting for? You know what I mean.